This is chapter 3. It's on the simple past, the habitual past with used to. The reading is failure and success. Let's take a look at the vocabulary first. At the bottom of the page, failure. An activity or project that does not succeed. Failure. Fog. A heavy gray vapor near the ground that makes it difficult to see. Fog. To summit. To reach the top of a mountain. To summit. Failure and success. What is success? What do we learn from failure? When we try something new, failure is always a possibility. In the 19th century, many explorers attempted to reach the North Pole by land, but they died trying. Solomon André was a Swedish engineer. He wanted to be the first person to arrive at the North Pole. He knew that travel over land was very dangerous. He had an idea. He thought he had the perfect way to reach the North Pole, by balloon. On a windy day in July 1897, André and two other men climbed into the basket of a balloon. They took with them enough food for several months. When they left, people cheered and waved. As soon as they lifted off, strong winds hit the balloon. Fog froze on it, making it too heavy. The men traveled by balloon for 65 hours. Were they successful? Did they arrive safely? Unfortunately, no. They landed almost 300 miles from the North Pole. No one heard from them again. 33 years later, hunters found their frozen bodies, their cameras, and their diaries. Failure is part of all exploration. Robert Ballard, a famous ocean explorer, says that success and failure go together. Failure helps us do things differently the next time. Mountain climber Peter Athens said, "I learned how not to climb the first 4 times I tried to summit Everest." In 1914, a polar explorer, Ernest Shackleton, led an expedition across Antarctica. His ship became trapped in the ice. However, he brought the 27 men on his team home safely. The expedition was a failure, but the rescue of his men was a success. Failure helps us on our next try. Failure is a good teacher. Without failure, success would be impossible.